Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a slime review and showing you what they're made of. And yeah, so I have 3 slimes. Oh gosh, I have 3 slimes. Let me move. Oh my gosh, sorry, this slime just got on my arm. And now we need to fix the camera. Move my pencil, it's randomly right there. So here's one of them. It's my version of milk slime. Go check that video out in the description below. Go check it out. It's called my version of showing you my version of milk slime, and I showed you how to make this. And really all it is it's, you can go watch the video too, but I actually just made that. It's Gold Bond from Bumpy Skin, shaving cream, and Slade solution color if you want, and my scent. I have I used all of it on this, but it's called Fruit Loops scent. I put it in here, and then, well, glue obviously. So yeah, here it is. It's like really milky. See, I'm not even moving my hand. It's just really milky, and I love it. I love milk slime, like my version, and make it kind of a lot. So yeah, the container I ran out, so this is a glass jelly jar, which is actually really cute, and it's perfect for this one because it's just so milky, so you can just pour it out, which is perfect, so you don't have to like really get your finger in there. Here's one of my less not good ones. It's in a container that I made when I first started True Fact. I used to do these like slime DIY things, like make your own slime, but I don't do those anymore. I actually make my own slime. But yeah, here it is. It's like, it has those diaper beads in it, kind of, the stuff that's in there, because I'll show you in a second. So it's not that like stretchy and stuff, so I'm gonna add some this. Now I usually don't add this. It's actually my first time adding it, and like a slime like this. So we're gonna see what happens. It's actually getting sticky. It's actually cool because I've never done this. Okay, so here it is. Oh wow, sticky. I'm gonna be actually fixing my slimes too. So fix that one. I don't have a lot, that's why I'm doing it, just to do it. And because I'm bored. And yeah. So here it is. It's a lot stretchier. I'm actually glad I did that. Here it is. Wow, it actually helped it so much. I should have showed you guys before a little better, but I didn't. So we're gonna put that one back in here. Let me go grab my other one because it's over there. So let me go grab it. Okay, so here it is. It's a cloud slime. Don't worry, this container was sold to me by someone. So it's my cloud slime. I love it, just like taking it out. So here it is. This is actually my best cloud slime I've ever made. Because my last cloud slime, I don't know if you guys saw, I sold it, and it was kind of cool. It was a lot, and this, I feel like it needs more slime. So we're going to get a donation from this. Just a little, just to make it better. Sorry guys, I'm sick. That's why I haven't been going to school. I've been just at home doing my homework. If you watched my other video when I was doing the milk slime, I said that I got the milk slime on a piece of paper that I needed. Yeah, that was my homework, but it's off now. But here it is. It's actually really nice. The thing that I love about cloud slime, it's like stiff. It's like molding. So, yeah, but it has all these little like dots. Do you see that? Yeah, and it's all over the table and all over me. And that's when this slime comes along. This one, I'm gonna get it back out. Probably should have done that one second. But that's where I like clean my hands and clean the surface that I was just on, and all the beads go in here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna stretch it, and all the beads go in here into this slime. So this isn't like cloud. This one isn't like cloud slime, but it has like organs of cloud slime. My last one is a slime smoothie. I don't have much slimes, but I love slime, which is weird. So let me go get it. It's in my closet because it's big. Oh gosh. And I add my slimes, good or bad, into here recently, kind of a lot. I'm gonna take it down onto my chair. So here it is. Let me show you guys. Here it is. It has some beads in it. It's kind of bad and old. But trust me, I added this bad slime into it, and it made it really bad. So here it is. I'm gonna take a chunk of it and show you guys. Take a little more. Whoa. I've actually never like just taken a chunk and poked it. I've always poked it, the whole thing. So it's a new experience for you. Okay, so here it is. It's really hard. It's jiggly slime. I put a whole bottle of water in here. I don't know why. Don't ask me. But actually, sooner or later, I'm going to be adding this slime, and this slime into there. This slime is probably going to help a lot, even though if it's not that much. But it's like one of those slimes that like are trying to make a bubble, but they just can't. Sorry, my camera keeps on falling. Like, you know, I use my phone, so my phone keeps on slipping naturally. It's just really bad. It's not even like you can. It's just wow. It doesn't even stretch. We're gonna add some Gold Bond into it to kind of a lot. So here we go. I feel like it's gonna do nothing, but on the other side of me, I feel like it is going to do something. So it's getting kind of, what's the word? Like all the beads are starting to fall out. See, I don't know if you heard that, but 5 beads just fell. This is getting kind of, well, you see what's happening. And it's getting all on my desk. Okay. I feel it getting better. Oh gosh, I have like 7 beads on my table right now because it's getting sticky. I'm gonna pick up the beads now. My arms are getting tired. I'm gonna put this down for a second. Did it make it stretchier? No, it didn't. Sorry, I'm sick. I don't like being sick. But as you can see, it's, oh gosh, I got all my paper that I need. Well, not a lot of it. I saved it really quickly. and get it off. And it got on the same place. Oh my gosh. I should probably put my papers away. Okay, so I still have some on me, but I'm going to show you. Here it is. It's a lot more stretchier. Like, it doesn't stretch, but at least it like can move up. I feel like it made it better, but on the other side, I feel like it didn't. So I think we're gonna put this away. There's like, I don't know how many slimes there are. I'd like to say, I'm just looking at it thinking, I'd like to say 7 or 8 slimes in here. They were like small slimes sometimes, like they were like this slimes or these types of slimes. I know there's 2 slimes that shared this container that were split that went in here. It was my Valentine's Day one, and it had the pink and white beads. It was just white, but one of them had pink beads and one of them had white beads, and it was fluffy. And it went into here. There's a lot of fluffy slimes in here. Yeah. So that's my slime review. I don't have a lot of slimes, but that's just because I don't have a lot of containers. And that's just that. Trying to get the glitter off of here. But guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what videos you think I should do. Because I feel like I should do hide and go seek or something. But I feel like that's too, like, childish. So just comment down below. What do you think I should do? And put in the comments down below what was your favorite slime that I showed you. Was it I'm gonna tell you the names. Green lime slime. Kind of hard to say. Lime slime. Milk slime. Or slime. I don't know what this is called. What is this called? It's just Milk 2.0. Okay? So Milk 2.0, lime slime, or milk. Okay? So comment down below. Oh, or put smoothie for this one. Oh gosh. So yeah, that's really it. Put in the comment down below, you know, all I just said. So here's one slime, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, guys, make sure to comment down below what was your favorite slime and what I should do for further videos. And that's it. So bye, guys.